This video has been brought to you by DataVinci Analytics Agency.
Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video from DataVinci Analytics Agency. My name is Haroon and this is going to be a video series on marketing attribution covered by myself and my team member Joanne. In today's video, we are going to talk about marketing attribution. So let's start the video. So what are we going to cover in this video? We are going to cover what is attribution, challenges in attribution, what is an attribution model, types of attribution model in GA4, how Google Analytics 4 does attribution modeling, and lookback windows. What are the challenges in terms of marketing attribution? So they are cross-device tracking, multi-channel attribution, offline conversion, custom attribution model, understanding cross-channel interactions, and real-time attribution. So how this video helps you? It will help you gain insights into the effectiveness of marketing channel. It will help you allocate the right credit for two different touch points in the customer journey. It will also help you in choosing the most suitable attribution approach. It will help you in identifying attribution which enables strategy to overcome data limitation. It will help you learn about the GA4 models which empowers you to optimize campaign more effectively. So what is attribution? Attribution is the process of determining which marketing channel contribute to conversions or desired outcome within a customer journey. Here we have a small illustration of a customer journey or a conversion journey of a customer. So let's assume that you have an e-commerce website and you sell mobile phones. Now a user might search some device or mobile phone on the internet and land on your website. This is called organic search. He browses your website for a while and then leaves. After some days, he might see your Google advertisement somewhere and clicks on that advertisement, comes to your website again, adds something in the cart, but then he abandons the website again. So after some days, you send him an email saying, hey, you left something inside your cart. Why don't you come back and check out and we'll give you 15% off. Now he clicks on that link through the email and lands on your website again. He completes the checkout, which is also called as conversion. Now depending on the attribution model, the credit assessment or assignment will be dependent on the type of attribution used. So in case of last click model, the entire credit would be assigned to email channel since it is the last checkpoint or touch point in this conversion journey. While if it is a data-driven model, the credit assessment or assignment would be dependent upon how each touch point has contributed towards the conversion. So what are the challenges in attribution? Multiple touch points, as we have seen in the last slide. Customer engage across various channels, making it hard to pinpoint which can drive conversion. Cross-device tracking. Tracking behavior across devices poses challenges. Offline conversions. Attributing offline actions to online efforts is difficult. Time lag and path complexity. Customer paths are non-linear and time spans between interaction and conversion vary. Data quality and integration. Poor data quality and integration hinder accuracy analysis. Attribution model selection. Choosing the right model is crucial but complex. Privacy regulations. Compliance with privacy laws impacts data collection. Offline to online attribution. Bridging offline and online marketing efforts is challenging. Now we are going to see what is an attribution model. So an attribution model is a set of rules that determines how credit for conversion is assigned to different touch points in customer journey. Now we are going to see the attribution models in GA4. In GA4 there are presently 3 attribution models to select from, each offering insights into user interaction from distinct viewpoints. The selection of the appropriate model hinges on the unique objective and intricacies of your business. So let's dive into all of these 3 attribution models. The first one is paid organic and last click model. The second one is paid channel last click, and the third one is data driven. So let's look at the first one, which is paid and organic last click. It attributes 100% of the conversion credit to the last touch point before the conversion. It ignores direct traffic unless it is the only touch point in the user's path to conversion. This model is also known as last non-direct click model. It is recommended for organizations with short and straightforward sales cycle where the last interaction is the most influential. Now let's have a look at the second one, which is paid channel last click. It attributes 100% of the conversion credit to the last Google Ads touchpoint before the conversion. When no Google Ads touchpoint exists, it reverts to paid and organic last click. This model ignores direct traffic unless it is the only touchpoint in the user's path to conversion. So it is recommended for organization using Google Ads whose primary goal is measuring the impact of their paid and marketing spend. And finally, we have data-driven model. So it distributes credits fractionally based on machine learning algorithm that evaluates converting and non-converting path. As per Google, this model incorporates factors such as time from conversion, device type, number of ad interactions, the order of ad exposure, and the type of creative assets. It ignores direct traffic unless it is the only touchpoint in the user's path to conversion. It is recommended for organizations where multiple touchpoints often factor into sales cycle, which would not be captured in a winner-take-all model. So how Google Analytics 4 does attribution modeling? So for data-driven model, in GA4, data-driven model use machine learning to analyze user behavior and attribute credit to touchpoints. Here's how they work. So the first one is machine learning algorithms. GA4 algorithms analyze user interactions to attribute credit based on their impact on conversion. Data consideration. They assess interaction sequences, recency, frequency, channel performance, and user engagement metrics. Attribution windows determine the time frame for touchpoint influence. Dynamic credit allocation. Model adjusts credit allocation based on touchpoint impact, emphasizing significant interactions. Optimization. Continuously learning model adapt to user behavior and market trend, providing accurate insights. Now let's see how it works for the rule-based model. Rule-based model in Google Analytics 4 operate by following predefined rules set by user to assign credit to touchpoints. Here's how they work. So the first one is rule-based logic. User defined rule on a specific criteria, which is last click position based attribution model. These rules determine how credit is assigned to different touchpoints in user journey. Data consideration, interaction sequence. Rule-based model analyze the sequence of touchpoint visited by users before conversion. Touchpoint position. They consider the position of each touchpoint in user journey, whether it's first interaction, last interaction, or somewhere in between. User-defined parameters. Users can customize attribution rule based on the specific business goals and objective. Parameters such as attribution window and credit distribution can be adjusted to align with business requirements. So finally, what is lookback window? In GA4, lookback windows plays a crucial role in determining how far back in the time user interactions are considered when attributing conversions. The lookback window, set by default is 90 days, can be adjusted to align with your particular sales cycle and reporting needs. This period defines the time frame during which interactions are eligible for attribution credit. Lookback windows settings apply to all reports, including user and session scope report like traffic acquisition and user acquisition reports. By shortening the time frame, you will likely find that direct traffic takes up larger share, since categorization of traffic into direct channel is only done when no other non-direct touchpoints in the user path are available within the lookback window, regardless of the attribution model. Changing the lookback window only affects data from the time of the change and onwards. I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, please post them in the comment below. Thank you.